And that's Deep Daniels Lock.
Together again for level 5.
That's right.
Uptown Swing. What do we do?
This is like Weird Moves Day.
It was some weird stuff.
We started with some reverse swing outs. Let's do a reverse swing out. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. The one thing I really want you to remember, leaders, is I want you to do your triple step that direction, stepping behind, opening up so the follower can get around. 1, 2, step this way. Get that follower moving on 4, 5.
We definitely want
Slingshot.
4 to be coming forward so that 5 is nice and clear. The path. Then we added on to that.
Oh, right. We do a little turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a rock step. Remember the prep is on 5.
Prep's on 5, and we said we really need to wait in that prep a little bit so that we can get those 2 steps, and then we do the triple step after. And then we got weirder.
Texas Tommy. Texas Tommy reverse. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3. That was good. We'll do it again.
We're gonna try and do that again, but let's face a different direction because we couldn't see it. We'll do it this way. Maybe you can see it.
And a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Grab 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Bam! There's one more.
Very similar to the last one. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what we did.
That's all we did.